welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing another week's worth of lunches for my daughter. This is the second week of school for her and today is Monday. So this is what's in Monday's lunch and snack. Right here we have a turkey sandwich on wheat bread with mayo, spicy brown mustard, turkey, and romaine lettuce. Some celery here and ranch for dipping. Some red grapes and blueberries, and there's a toothpick in there. And over here she has a little treat, which is a Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookie. And to drink she has a Capri Sun, the Splash cooler. And for snack she has some popcorn, which I believe is the Boom Chicka Pop sea salt popcorn, and her water. Hey everyone, here's what's in my daughter's lunch for Tuesday. I made some homemade tuna salad here with tuna, mayo, a little bit of Miracle Whip, some Mrs. Dash lemon pepper seasoning, and a little bit of cut up celery. She has some red grapes here. To put her tuna on, she has a half of a Kaiser roll that I just cut in half for her and then in half again so she can make a sandwich. Some pretzel sticks here. For a treat, she has one of those Little Debbie Cosmic or Cosmo brownies. I'm not sure what they're called. And then over here she has some carrots, her water as usual, and for snack time today she's having a banana, and I just wrote on there, I wrote smile, and then on this side I wrote I love you. So that's what's for Tuesday's lunch and snack. Hey guys, good morning. Here's what's in my daughter's lunch and snack for Wednesday. I'll start over here with her snack. She has some pretzels here that are just the sticks, and this is these Fruit Smiles from Great Value. They're the sour kind. And then I'm going to be putting this little treat in her lunch. It's just the Hershey's milk chocolate bar, so I'll put that right there. And then over here she's going to be having some thinly sliced hard salami, and I just rolled them up and put a toothpick in each one of them so she knows to be careful. Down here we have some celery that's just cut up. Over here I cut up a pear. And then over here she has some salsa and then some of the Kirkland tortilla strips to dip it. A Capri Sun for lunch, for drinking, and her water. Good morning everyone. Before I share what's in my daughter's lunch and snack for Friday, I thought I'd put a little disclaimer in there, and you're probably wondering why I jumped from Wednesday to Friday, is because she chose to eat lunch at school on Thursday. So that is why I jumped from Wednesday to Friday. So let's get started with today's lunch and snack. I'll start with her snack. First, she chose a Chewy Dips peanut butter like granola bar. And then over here, I thought I would make a little salad bar for her. She loves salads, so why not stick it in her lunch? Over here, we have some hard salami or summer sausage cut up into chunks with a toothpick. Over here for her salad, she has some romaine lettuce that I cut up and a hard-boiled egg with salt and pepper on it, and then I just put it right on top. Her salad dressing of choice is ranch. And over here, we have some shredded cheddar cheese and real bacon pieces, not bacon bits. They're from Great Value. I believe the bag even says like real bacon pieces. And then over here, I shredded up here at home some baby carrots. So then she'll kind of take those out and put everything on top and have her own like little salad bowl. And then I just have some of these butter garlic croutons that I just put in this little bag. Her Capri Sun, she didn't want milk, so I packed this for her instead. Her water, and then over here for a treat, I picked up some sugar cookies from our local grocery store, and that one said it was like a Harvest frosted sugar cookie. So that's what's in her lunch and snack for today. I hope you guys have a great week, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!